You can draw this on Procreate. In this video, I'm going to take you through all the steps to create this pearl brush and stamp in Procreate. Super easy, beginner friendly, and by the end, you will have a custom brush that you can use in all your illustrations and embroidery mockup. All you need is a canvas of 3000 to 3000 pixels and a color palette whose codes I will attach in the description below. Taking a square canvas, firstly I would like to change the background color. Going to the layer menu, tap this shade for the background. Next, go to the brush library and from calligraphy section, select the monoline brush. Taking this first light shade, draw a circle with your free hand and hold it at last. You can transform it to a perfect circle from this above menu. Drop the same color inside to fill the circle as a base. Tap the transform tool and adjust the circle at the center of the canvas. Next, go to the layer section, add a new layer and turn on the clipping mask. From the brush library, we will go to the airbrushing section and select soft brush. Select next darker shade and adjust the brush size. And then start painting in circular pattern as I am doing here. This will create the base variation inside of the pearl. Next, you can also add some soft strokes at the edges. To add depth, choose this darker shade and with the same motion add depth in the middle section of this area. You can also add some soft shadows near the edges of the pearl. Select this next lighter color and adjust the brush size. Add deep strokes right at the center to add the highlight. Add some subtle strokes at the top of the edge to highlight it. That will give it a very nice and glossy finish. This looks good now. Go to the adjustment menu and select Gaussian blur and pull it towards the right until all the colors blend smoothly. Feel free to adjust it according to your preference. For me, I would think 23% goes well. We will add one more layer and again turn on the clipping mask, and here we will change the blending mode to linear burn. Now with the same brush, take this darker shade and paint gently around the edges like this. Do it the way I am doing, also in the middle section to give it the depth. Adding one more layer, we will again turn on the clipping mask and change the blending mode here to soft light. Go to the brush library, select soft blend brush and take this lighter shade. Adjust the brush size to 7% and now we will softly build up highlights so that this looks more luminous. You do not need to copy it exactly as I am doing. Just add small highlights, changing the size of the brush. Just remember to keep the strokes light and make sure that you are adding it at the right places to give it that realistic look. This looks nice, but there's a last step. Add one more layer. Again, turn on the clipping mask and change the blending mode to overlay. Pick up soft brush again from the brush library. Go to the color panel and let us take this purple shade. Adjust the brush size and add gentle light strokes around the edges. This adds a very nice effect to the pearl that makes it look more realistic. This looks good, and now we will merge all the layers. First, let us start with the pearl stamp. Swipe down 3 fingers and tap copy. Tap on this brush, go back to libraries I keep my embroidery brushes separate. Here, tap the plus icon and create new brush. Go to shape, tap edit, go to import and paste the pearl we copied. Next, go to the stroke path and increase the spacing all the way to the maximum. Click on Apple Pencil and reduce the opacity to 0. Click on Properties and here set the maximum size all the way to 100% and minimum size to around 2%. You can also change the rendering mode. I think here intense blending will look good. At last, go to About This Brush and add your name to the brush you created as a creator. And that's it. Your stamp is ready to use. Let's see how it looks. For this, create again a new layer and select white color from the color section. Adjust the size and you can see how our stamp looks. You can use different sizes and use it accordingly for your work. Now, let us create the pearl brush. Swipe down 3 fingers, tap copy, go to the plus icon and create a new brush. Paste the pearl that we copied to the shape source just like we did before. Next, go to the stroke path and here adjust the spacing according to your preference. But first, let's go to Apple Pencil and reduce the opacity to none. Go to Properties and adjust the maximum size of the brush. I think I need to adjust the spacing again. Go to the stroke path. I am adjusting the spacing so that it looks a nice continuous pearl. Also, if you prefer smoother strokes, you can adjust these settings in the stabilization according to how your hand works. Go to the rendering section and select intense blending. It goes well with the pearls. Now, in the preview section, adjust how you want your pearls to look. Then, in About This Brush, again add your name to the brush and like this, your brush is ready. Again, taking a new layer, let us test this brush out. Select the white color, adjust the size, and here we have a beautiful pearl brush that you can use in different sizes to create beautiful strings, beautiful embroidery work, beautiful borders, and you can use them as embellishments and decorative details with just a few strokes. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please do like the video, do subscribe my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and do let me know in the comments which brush you would like for me to create next. Thank you so much for watching.